Service robots are experiencing a rise in demand as they provide labor efficiency and new innovation to help with our everyday life. Service robots are commonly used in areas such as parcel and warehouse transportation, consumer electronics, entertainment, medical, food service, surveillance, and various other equipment. JAE provides support in building innovative robotics to enhance our future. Here are some of our key, high-quality, and reliable connectors that are commonly used in service robot applications. The JL10 series are bayonet and screw mating hybrid locking, waterproof circular connector. The JN1, JN2 series are compact waterproof circular connector. The DF02 series are half-pitch, 1.27mm interface connector. The MA01 series are automotive-grade, 8 gigabit per second, floating board-to-board connector. The SG50 series are rugged full-size SD card connectors. Visit JAE.com to learn more about our service robots connectors.